Yes, hello everyone. When it comes to logo design, it is always very simple, and in the current era of artificial intelligence, you can even use artificial intelligence to design your logo in a minute. So what you need is to understand what kind of logo you have to design and which artificial intelligence or AI you have to use. It is as simple. It doesn't require you any designing skills. If you are aware of what kind of logo you have to design, you can come and choose the given logo that you can be able to make, and also you can produce the logo that you have to put on your company. So if we want to know more, you have to watch this video to the end, and you will see how I'm gonna be designing a logo by using artificial intelligence. So remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. What I'm gonna do now, as you can see here, I have my laptop. I'm gonna use internet and use artificial intelligence. I'm gonna type logo AI maker in my laptop. If I type logo AI maker, I can see various platforms that are going to be showing me that I can use them to make a logo. So what I do, I have to click on it. You can see I have this platform which is called AI logo maker or logoai.com. so I have to click on it. You can see it is generating through your free logo online in a minute. So what I do, I have to click here on start option. Once I click on start, you can see it is gonna be opening. So I have to put on the logo name. So let me try putting the logo name as this one, and also after putting this, it is gonna be continuing and start like this. After so adding my name of the company, I'm gonna be selecting the industry. This is the industry that I'm gonna be creating a logo in. So my industry, let's suppose that my industry is retail, or let me choose internet. Yes, in the internet. So selecting logo or selecting category of the industry, that means you want to choose which category of suggestion is going to be coming. So I have to select the colors that I want to be using, and also let me choose this one. After selecting this one as a color, it is going to be bringing me different ways I'm going to be choosing the color, and I have to select the font styles that I will be using to design my logo. I have to choose from all these ones, and also for instance I can choose these modern fonts, elegant fonts. Once I select the elegant fonts and click generate, so I'm gonna be selecting from logo, and it is gonna be giving me the given logo that I'm gonna be creating. So as you can see, it is generating my logo, and I have to wait for it. It is gonna be giving me the logo. For instance, I have got this logo. So what I need to do, I need to sign up so that I can proceed with other activities, including downloading my logo. So let me click here and sign with Google. After signing in, you can see I have all the information I need. You can see I have my logo, and I have everything that also on my logo. Here you can see I can be able to buy my logo. I can be able to do everything. I also can be seeing that I can be able to get any kind of logo that I want to be designing. For instance, let me click on this one. If I appreciate using this one, if I click on it, you can see I have it here. And also I can come here and edit it. So once I edit it, you can see it's gonna be coming with the original files or the original design. This is why I can be also coming here and be able to design every kind of element which is visible there on the logo. Then once I'm done, I have to save it. So you can see I can click here and edit color. I can edit these elements. I can also be able to edit everything. These slogans, I can be able to do it. So I can be able to edit professional everything. And once you want to download this logo, you can be able to come here and choose how much do you want to be paying. If you want to design different logos, you can be able to choose that amount. For instance, one-time payment, you can be able to logo resolution, which is going to be this one. So for instance, you can be able to pay this one high, less quantity. You can be able to So it's up to you to choose how you want to be paying and what kind of logo you need. And also you can be getting a professional logo that you want to be applying here. You can be applying the coupons and everything is going to be simple with you. Thank you for watching this video. So remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the question button. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.